As consumers, as human beings, we are prisoners of convenience. If you look at the sales of ice cream, they're growing many-fold on quick commerce. So what happens is that what used to be an impulse seasonal product is becoming an everyday product.
Yeah.
So when you reduce the friction in satisfying your impulses, the impulses become habits. So it's far more convenient, far more cheaper to indulge in junk, unhealthy food than to eat healthier options. Now I realize better for you is a bigger sham.
You're just saying you're better than that
Yeah.
one guy who's
So
worse than you.
How is atta noodles better than regular Maggi? Seriously, how is a digestive biscuit, whatever, with
Yeah.
2% atta better than regular biscuit? It's easier to stick to something 100% of the time than 99% of the time. मतलब एक सिगरेट चल जाएगा, आज वीकेंड है, बाहर हो, मैच है, एक बियर चल जाएगा. That ache is never ache.
Yeah.
Then the rebound is very bad. Around 2015, anxiety attack, massive panic disorder. And it was a very, very troublesome time for me. And I went down that rabbit hole to understand about what is making me anxious. And I realized that there's a, very strong connection between physical health and mental health. And there's a very strong correlation between what I'm eating and how I'm
Oh,
feeling.
wow.
Your body gives you signals. वो काफ़ी gentle signals होते हैं. या तो आप उसको समझ लो, या मेरी तरह इग्नोर करते रहो. तो फिर जब सिग्नल्स के बाद मौका आता है ना, वो डंडा पड़ता है.
What about, like nutrition now coming in the form of tablet?
I'm sorry to say, but I don't know what is the polite way to put it. I absolutely hate them. Consumers genuinely lack knowledge. All right, a lot of them actually. For example, so many people don't know protein is important, but how much protein do I need to have?
A friend of mine called 2 days back, and he called and he said, "How are you doing? How's health? How's health?" I said, "It's fine." I said, "Is this how we start our conversation in our 40s?" And he said, "No, this is how I start a conversation with anyone I speak to now, because people in their 20s are struggling."
My wife ordered vegetables from Akshakalpa and they came wrapped up in some kind of leaves. I actually took the picture and posted it on LinkedIn. And so many people in my circle, I've told them that, you can actually taste the freshness, you can feel the freshness. Right? My favorite Akshakalpa product will be buttermilk.
The spiced one?
The spiced one.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a story behind our spiced buttermilk. All the spices that we add is fresh from the farm. We just pluck it from the farm there and we just grind it.
You can feel that in the taste. It hits you very different. Yeah. Today I open any of the quick commerce apps and order organic atta, whatever. I see so many brands. Everyone having organic in their name. But I'll tell you something, and for younger people who might be watching this, is that